Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix oops and error occurred problem on Instagram. So let's start. First open settings. Scroll down and go to apps. You'll find all the apps installed on your phone here. Now scroll down and search for Instagram. Now tap on Force Stop on bottom right corner. Now tap on Storage and clear all the caches by tapping on Clear Cache from bottom right corner. Now clear data from bottom left corner. After clearing data, you have to log in to your Instagram account again. So when you log back in, the problem will be fixed. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.